everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to make an order which I received on my Instagram. I have to make 2 Rakhis for twin babies and it will be their first Raksha Bandhan. So it is a kind of a special order that I received. Client has given me the reference of how she wants the Rakhis to be made. She asked me to make a boy and a girl, means a brother and a sister. She wants to preserve the Rakhis as it is their first Raksha Bandhan, so I decided to make the Rakhis with a polymer clay. Client has also told me that the Rakhis should be tiny in size so that they can easily fit on tiny hands of her babies. So firstly, I'll be making a boy with a tie and a girl holding flowers. For the flowers part, I have made little roses with different shades of purple and green leaves to make a flower bouquet. And after that, I'm going to clean the dust with the help of rubbing alcohol. And after that, I'm going to bake them and put some UV resin to give a gloss-like finish. And I'm very excited to show you guys the results because they are just gorgeous. So let's get into the video and see the results.